Guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Bethel. I make different types of content ranging from lifestyle content to sewing tutorial to wedding content. But in today's videos, this is going to be a tutorial on how to buy shoes off of Zappos for Amazon employees. So if you don't work for Amazon, you're welcome to stay, but this information might not be useful to you. So let's jump straight into it. It's a new year, it's 2026, and what that means for us is that we have new credit to buy shoes off of Zappos. So I'm making this video because the last time I made a video on how to buy shoes from Zappos, it was really helpful to a lot of people and I got a lot of positive comments. Recently, I've been getting questions about how to order new shoes or how to use your credit for the new year, and that's what I'm about to do. I've not ordered my shoes, so I think it's gonna be perfect if I go through it with you guys and see if I can just help you order your shoes. So I'll be doing it on my phone and just sort of like share it on the screen. That. So first things first, let me hit record. I hope you guys are doing good. I hope your new year is going good so far. For me, it's kind of going okay. I was able to like take a minute and just think about how last year went. I'm not gonna lie, 2025 wasn't bad at all. Like, it owes me nothing. Anywho, my screen's recorded now. So first things first, you want to go to your browser. Yeah, I was craving Chinese pancakes earlier. I didn't end up buying it. But you want to go to type the website exactly how I'm typing it. So it's going to be zappos.com, but it doesn't end there, /Amazon safety. So zappos.com /Amazon safety. If you just go to zappos.com, you're not going to get a discount. So zappos.com /Amazon safety. And then if it's your first time, create an account. But again, if you're coming back for the yearly credit, you already have an account. You just have to remember what your account is. I typically like to say my password to my phone because I can't be remembering like just one password every year, if that makes sense. So sign in with Zappos. If you sign in with Google, you're more than welcome to do that. And then I will just sign in as usual. I already have my thing, my passkey on my phone. So that makes it very easy for me to sign in. I'll advise you to do the same thing. Okay, so when you sign in, it's going to bring you to this page. If it does not bring you to this page that says Zappos at Work Amazon Fulfillment, you are in the wrong page. So once you sign in, it has to bring you to this page or else you're in the wrong page. So as you can see, I already have my shopping customized. What I'm going to advise is you go to filters, sort of customize it based on what you want to see. So I already have mine to shoes, like just show me women's shoes because I'm not trying to see everything they have in their catalog. So just go to women's. I have my size. I don't want insoles. Last time I shopped for just insoles. So that's what my filters look like now. And then these are the shoes that they have. So you just go through it, see whichever one resonates with you. Now, like I said, you do have $120 for the credit. So I typically like to choose shoes that are that price or below. Or if you want to finesse the system, you can actually buy 2 shoes. So last year I actually got 2 shoes because they were like both $60. So that's a very good with finesse system as well. So that way you have 2 shoes throughout the year. Or you could just spend everything on 1 shoe, which I don't think is smart, but you could still do that. This particular shoe that I've been trying to get, I'm not exactly sure what the name is and I don't have the strength to look for it now, but for the purpose of this tutorial, I'll just go ahead and put some random shoes in my cart and pretend to check out. One thing that I realized I used to do in the past that I forgot to totally do is when you go to filter from prices low to high. Again, if you want to get cheaper shoes, if you don't mind the price I might pay out of pocket, just keep doing what you're doing. But I like to filter from prices low to high, just keep all the featured, and then you can see the shoes that are cheaper. For example, these ones in particular, I actually bought them last year. They're kind of comfortable, but I ended up not wearing them to work because of the color. I didn't want them to get too dirty, so I just wear them to the gym. So these are my gym shoes, and they're honestly, to be honest, quite comfy for the gym. So let me add this to the cart and then go to my carts and see if it gets it below. I just want you guys to see that it could be $0 and you don't have to pay anything. So remove this one. As you can see, the balance is down to 0. Now here's something fun I did last year. Like I said, you can buy 2 shoes with the credit. So I'm gonna go back and then add another shoe that's like a good price. Let me see. Okay, filter again from prices low to high. Oh Lord, high to low, hell no. Low to high. Okay. So I added those shoes. I don't like this ones. Let me add these ones. This one's kind of look cute. Yeah, this kind of are cute. I actually like this. I think I might buy this, but I don't have my size. Okay, add to cart. Okay, so when you see when you added the other shoes, it came up to 27. So you do get the discount. Oh, I think I see what it is. I think the insoles, it's not entirely free. Wait, let me see. Oh yeah, that's what it is. That's what it's been the whole time. The insoles, you don't get it free entirely. That's crazy. I thought the insoles were like entirely free, but yeah, you do have up to 120 bucks to spend for just the shoes if you don't get the insoles. So the entire price includes the insoles. I think based judging on this, I think we only get 30 bucks for the insoles. So yeah, as you can see, I have 2 shoes in my cart and I'm getting them for 0 bucks. I hope this video was helpful to you. Remember, you don't have to use the credit now, so don't feel pressure to buy your shoes right away. You have to the end of the year to use your credit. I might end up buying my shoes now, I might not. I'm gonna see how I'm feeling about it, because I just bought new insoles on my old shoes. So my old shoes been feeling like really comfortable and it's pretty new too. So again, this is just a video to help Amazon associates. If you did like this video and found it helpful, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up, comment that you did find it helpful, so that way I know to make more videos like this. And if there's specific videos you want to know about working at Amazon, feel free to ask me. I've been there for like 5 years, so I pretty much kind of know what I'm doing. Again, this video is not sponsored by Amazon or anything. This is just me going out of my way to help associates, because I kind of like to do that sometimes. But anywho, subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna see you guys on my next video. Bye.